Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to say a big thanks and let you guys know that we hopefully moving forward on everything we do, but for Secret Squirrel 2 hashtag Justin's Final Mission, our fundraiser that we're doing right now, and this just happens to be that beautiful pistol chambered in 300 blackout. But the reason that we're here is because we have a new sponsor, and that's Rad Labs3D. He made this skull AR-15 stand as a gift to whoever ends up with Project Secret Squirrel 2. The stand is going to go with the rifle. Right now, because everybody always wants to know, as of right now, the last entry, if you go over to our Active Heroes Justin's Final Mission, the last entry was from Joseph Wolf. As of Mr. Wolf's donation, we have $896 to go, and we will be doing the drawing, and this pistol will go to its new owner. But wait, there's more. I just want to say a big thanks to Sol. I originally, giving credit where credit is due, the first video that I ever saw on Rad Labs 3D, Sol is the owner, for his products was over at my brother El Tenda's channel, and then follow up a few days later by Big Jeff Gunwild 1. So thanks guys for introducing me to Sol. I think he's a like-minded thinker, a super nice guy. I wanted something for myself, and because I'm me, and one of the main reasons that this channel even continues to exist is the work that we do for Justin and Justin's Final Mission. When we lost him, a bunch of us picked up that baton, and here we are. The money that we raise that goes to Active Heroes gets used to build retreat cabins for military that need to compress, maybe need some help. What we want to stop is all veteran suicides, and that was something that Justin literally gave the last days of his life towards. And when we lost Justin, we figured the best thing we could do to honor him and everything that he had done is to continue doing it. So that's what we do. So I asked Sol if he could make me something custom, something just for me, and he ended up making, I had to make an AR-10 and an AR-15 stand. And I asked him to make it with Active Heroes on it. So he made me, even has looks like rounds in the mag, and it's just stuck in this block. Rad Labs 3D. Basically, it went like this. I said, "This is what I want," and he found the picture. He sent it to me. He goes, "Is this what you're thinking?" And I go, "That's exactly what I'm thinking." He did a rendering of how it would look when it was done, like an hour and a half later, and I said, "Absolutely, that's what I want." And it's been less than a week since we started all this, so a big thank you. And it's there, you know, my JP, that is just because of the glass sitting on there, would probably be on the upper end of what an AR-10 could possibly weigh, and it is super stable, sitting on the stand. when you have what I have invested in this rifle, yeah, you don't want to look over your shoulder on the camera and see it toppling off the table. Very well made stands, and again, a big thanks. All of the people and businesses that make this happen are listed down below. It is, as far as I'm concerned, it is your best interest to go check out those names, the businesses, and my family, my YouTube friends and family that make this possible every single time. Every time we do one of these, it's like, okay, what are we doing now? You know, what are you looking for? And we build these. And right now, because we are under $900 to go, this is probably going to go fast. So for every $10 you donate, your name is in the hat one time. So a $100 donation, you have 10 chances at this. And like I said, we are now officially under $900 to go before we pick a winner. And this kick-ass stand that Rad Labs 3D made and donated for the winner is I'm probably gonna sell. When you see this, I'm gonna probably end up having to get one of these because MzBomey said I want one of those. And a very fast reminder: today is Thursday. Tomorrow, during Locked and Loaded's second hour, somewhere in the second hour, so you have all the way until you hear me say it's over, it's closed. We have our little sub fundraiser. It is not attached to the money dealing with Secret Squirrel 2. It's the same thing. You go over to Active Heroes. This will be the top link down below, and you click on it. And for every $1 donated to Justin's Final Mission, somebody's going to get 2 bottles of the regular, 2 bottles of the bold and spicy, 2 things of the pork rub, and 2 things of the beef rub. Beef rub's not down here anymore because I needed it last night when I was making dinner. So I will have all the information down below. And if you want to go over to Rad Labs here and just take a look at what they have. Stands for an AK. Ooh. You know, I never even thought about that. I think the redhead needs a stand, so I'll have to come up with something. But work with him. If you are looking for something special, maybe you can get together with him and he can make up, say, something dealing with your YouTube channel. Maybe dealing with something you're passionate about. From what I've seen, if you can think it, Saul can make it. But again, the best thing to do is just check with him. So Saul, I am super impressed. I couldn't be happier. And his prices are very, very reasonable. So I will have the link here for Facebook. You can like right there. You can press that button and go start a conversation like I did, and I'm happy to have met another like-minded thinker, especially one that has some really cool products. So I have all the information down below. And again, you have between now and when I say this is closed tomorrow night to not only help out Justin's Final Mission, but possibly end up with the best barbecue sauce and rubs that I have ever used. And just right now, Gunwild 1, Smilemoney, and Joseph Wolf, you are the only 3 people in there right now. And I know every single time I mention this, Big Jeff is like going, "Oh God, you're cutting into my odds." But right now, these 3 guys are taking it from you. So again, everything helps out Active Heroes. And if you missed me saying this before, I am more than happy to keep repeating this. right now, Justin's final mission, the work that we do for Active Heroes, we are regarded as Active Heroes' largest private fundraiser. And it's because of all you guys and all of the work and the help that I get from companies like Rad Labs3D that make this all possible. So check out all the links down below. Please make sure that you are subscribed to everybody. Make sure you're subscribed to me, and that the little bell has been rung because YouTube is up to their shenanigans again. I'd like to apologize. I've had a whole bunch of people say, "Did you delete my comment?" No, I didn't delete your comment. YouTube is deleting comments. I got email notifications from like my man German Ninja, and I go over there and they're gone, and he didn't remove them. YouTube removed them, so good job. They're just YouTube is such a great company. Check out Locked and Loaded tomorrow night, 8 to 10 p.m. Central or later, but somewhere in that second hour we're gonna have the drawing for the person that will be getting the package of barbecue sauce. And again, check the link out and go check out Rad Labs3D. Awesome. That's all I have to say. It's awesome. And thank you so much for that. I'm sure whoever gets that pistol there will really enjoy that stand. So, questions, comments, please leave them down below. Cheers, guys.